A question asked about in the Unit 2, Section 1, Lesson 5. This question with on exponential growth on this credit card debt, and I found something that I wasn't expecting. So this question was with using the graphing calculator. So on putting in the lists and running an exponential regression with a calculator. And when I did that, so I just followed that direction. Here's on the calculator. I end up with a model 5, 10, blah, 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 raised to the x, and I get a value to the nearest dollar of 42,159, and that was the answer programmed into it. But then I know most of you use desmos, and so I also ran the same regression on desmos, and I got obviously the answer that you sent. So I know you did this on desmos. So rounded to the nearest dollar would be 48,819. And I think the difference, it has to just be, there's 3 points that are really almost perfectly on here. And 1 point, if we zoom in, is a bigger residual, so it's further away. And I think the difference is simply how the calculator and desmos are programmed to find the regression model. So there's something different in the programming. And if you wanted to kind of play around this yourself, you would see that if you made 2 equations from the first 2 points, you would get a slightly different value of a and b than if you did a regression using 0.1 and 0.3 or 1 and 7. So there's just something slightly different. What I did was I went back into it, reprogrammed this. This question will now take both the answer from the calculator and desmos. So thank you for telling me about that. All right, let me know if this helps and if you have any more questions. By the way, if you were doing this on the AP exam, that might be your question. What would happen? You would just need to say what you used. If you used desmos or the calculator, I'm pretty sure that they're going to be looking for this as they're allowing desmos to be used directly from the testing page, and they allow you to use your calculator as well.